In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cake toppers in Canva with AI. If you're planning a party or just want a personalized touch for a celebration, this quick walkthrough will show you how to generate custom cake topper art right inside Canva using its built-in AI tools. Start on the Canva homepage and head to the search bar at the top. Type in Canva AI and select it from the results. This opens Canva's AI image creation experience. You'll see a prompt box where you can describe exactly what you want. Be as specific as possible so the results match your vision. For instance, you could write something like baby with cake topper, or get more detailed with the theme, colors, and style, such as cute pastel baby with a birthday cake topper, soft lighting, cartoon style, white background. The clearer your description, the better the generator understands your intent. When you're ready, click Submit. Canva will return a set of generated images. Take a moment to review what appears on the screen. You'll see multiple variations, and each one is ready to use in your design. Think of this gallery as your creative starting point. Pick the option that best fits your theme, whether that's sweet and minimal, bright and bold, or playful and illustrated. These AI-generated images can be used anywhere across your Canva projects, just like any other graphic or photo. If you're already working inside a design, you can create images without leaving your current canvas. Open your design, then look to the left side of the editor and select the Elements tab. In the search field at the top of Elements, type your prompt the same way you would on the home page. From the options that appear, choose the AI image generator. This brings the generation tool into your workspace so you can see new images appear right where you're designing. It's a smooth way to try ideas, compare results, and place the image directly onto your layout with minimal interruption. That's it. Thanks for watching.